We had a number of issues on the BBI report, which we have given to the two principals, both His Excellency the President and the former Prime Minister, on a number of issues that we have raised. We, however, believe that having done that, 80-90% of the BBI report is good. And we are asking the two principals that once they deal with the issue of amendments, once they deal with the issue of consensus, they should allow the Kenyans to go ahead and have this conversation and start the process of collecting the signatures so that the process goes ahead. I, as the governor of Bungoma County, have assured the residents of Bungoma County that I'll be moving forward. We are setting up a committee at the county level and a sub-county level and a ward level to engage the people of Bungoma County on this process of BBI.
Na mambo ya ukawaji wa pesa ile inakuja county government, hii naunga mkono. But swali ninajiuliza, the 15%, jana nilisikia wapi ya Kakamega wakilia. Mheshimiwa Oparanya, si yeye ni chairman wa Council of Governors, alisema nini? Ati serikali haijawaachilia pesa. Sasa no bukula kimisi 15% na wajawaachilia.